Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to isolate a single color in your video in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to Color tab to start editing your video. Now, go to RGB Mixer and enable the monochrome to turn your video black and white. Next, right-click the node editor, select Add Node, and click the Add Layer to duplicate your video. Now select the qualifier tool, then click on the picker and choose the color you want to isolate from the previous screen. If DaVinci Resolve doesn't fully isolate your color, use the dropper with a plus icon to select additional areas. And for a smoother result, you can adjust the matte finesse settings by tweaking the blur radius, clean black, and clean white option. And that's it. You've successfully isolated a single color in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.